How's it going, everyone? Harbiscus here, bringing you guys an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. Pretty excited. I've been doing iPhone unboxings for a while. Don't always post them or upload them, but they're always fun to do. And since this is my 7th iPhone, I thought I'd have all the other iPhones just lined up because it's pretty cool. I have the iPhone 3G, which I got in '09, starting high school. I have the 4, which I got in 2010, also high school. The 5, which was my senior year of high school in 2012. 2016, I got the iPhone 6. I think it was my sophomore year of college. 2014, yep. 2016, I was in my senior year of college. This is the iPhone 7. And then post-graduation, the iPhone XS, which I got 2 years ago in 2018. Now 2020, we have the iPhone 12 Pro. It's in black. I got 256 gigs. I've been going up steadily. Actually, I'm matching the XS with the storage capacity of 256. I decided not to go for the 512 and then just delete a bunch of photos from my phone. But here we go, the iPhone 12 unboxing. Alright, so this is me improvising a top-down kind of view. That's why you can see my tripod leg right here. You can try to ignore that. Anyways, okay, so this is the iPhone 12. Right here, the box. Very nice. It has a nice, cool home screen thing that they normally do. Now, revealing... Alright, before I do that actually, I just want to kind of compare the thinness of the box, which is it's pretty crazy. This is the thinnest, I think. Is it the thinnest? Yeah, it's probably this is probably one of the thinnest boxes I have. This is the iPhone 4. You can see it's like a fraction of the size. It's a little over a half. I don't know if you can see that right there. Yep, that's pretty insane. So Apple's big thing was to kind of not include a power adapter, like a wall plug, as well as earpods, but you could still buy it separately, and every other Lightning product still works with it. I wish they went USB-C, but they didn't, unfortunately. Okay, so here's me removing the lid. Hopefully it's all in, what's it called, in focus. Has a little thing right here for the camera module. So here it is, the iPhone 12 Pro in Graphite, very shiny as you can see. This is actually a frosted glass right here. The Apple logo is glossy, as well as the camera module, it's glossy. On the regular 12, it is actually the reverse. This is all glossy and that's matte. And if I remove the phone right here very carefully, the edges, which is stainless steel, is very glossy, very shiny. And it's aluminum on the, what's it called, the regular Pro. But this is a very much a fingerprint magnet. Very cool, very nice. And this time they don't have like a clear plastic. It's like a little paper thing. It has like little icons for everything right here. I'm gonna try to focus. Yeah, the ring silent, plus minus volumes, the power, and there's a little electric thing here for the Lightning. So wow, it's really cool. It's actually not that bad size-wise. Let me see if I can get my Apple Card. So this is it compared to, I guess, a credit card, if you don't want to say that. It's not that much bigger than my 5.8-inch iPhone 10. It's actually not that bad. I was afraid that it was going to be too big. I normally prefer the smaller size phones, especially coming from like the 5. The 5 is kind of like the sweet spot, but I guess this is fine. So, I don't know. Size ratio to a credit card is like a credit card and like a half, I don't know. Something random. Gonna put that down. I'm going to not open the phone thing first. I'm gonna put that right there where it's gonna take me a while to get out. We have some documentation. The design by Apple in California. Has the SIM ejector tool, as well as your regular iPhone stuff. Very minimal this time, actually. Very cool. Oh, and you have a single Apple sticker, I forgot. A single Apple sticker. And this is the Lightning to USB-C. You got this last year in the 11 Pro models. And then that's it. You can see the little recycle logo, because they're very green. And that's about it in the box. There's literally nothing else. Like, this is all hollow after that. Okay, so that's enough of the box, literally. So thin, so minimal. All right, let's get the iPhone out. What I'm gonna do actually is I'm going to take my iPhone 5 out and then just compare it, because they're both like very flat for the edges. Put that over here. Yep. So look at that. They're just like, they're super flat. This one's very shiny. I would prefer the matte look. Man, you could stand them up. You could stand the iPhone 5 up very carefully as I try to do this. Ta-da! And then I could do it to this too if I wanted to. Do I want to though? I don't know. Ta-da! See? Super easy. No sweat. Okay. So, oops. They both, this is all aluminum, it's like half glass, half aluminum. And this is all glass, but it's like the frosted. Sorry for being out of frame sometimes. Actually, I think I was showing it upside down sometimes. Anyways, all good. Yep, you can see the fingerprints are starting to show up now. Okay, that's enough of the iPhone 5. Let's peel this away, and that's it. That's the screen right there. So it's using a ceramic shield. It's supposed to be 4 times stronger than the previous iPhone, which normally uses Gorilla Glass. This is also built with Corning's Gorilla Glass, but they have like little pieces, shards of ceramic like mixed in. But I guess let's turn it on, and then that'll kind of conclude the unboxing, because I'm not gonna really do anything else. But it's very nice. Oh man, it feels really good, not gonna lie. Having the flat edges. You know what I could do though? I'm going to put it in the case. So I normally go with Torras, super slim profile. Here we go, right here. To protect our iPhone friend. Very super minimal. I love these guys. These guys are like 15, 20 bucks. Let's put him in here. Let's put him on the sides. It is a shame to like hide this super nice, what's it called, like design in a case, but safety is I guess a priority. But yes, that is it, I guess, for the unboxing. Let's see. Oh man, the animations look so cool. Also, my plan does not, I'm not gonna upgrade to 5G, by the way. Which is why you still see the 4G right there, but these are 5G compatible. Let's see if I can focus. Yep, there it is. These are 5G compatible. Let's go with English. Oh man, setting up a new phone is always so fun. But I'm gonna be back like restoring it from my old phone. Anyways, this is the iPhone unboxing. Oh man, it looks so cool. I can't wait to play with it. But that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be doing the unboxing for the Xbox Series X as well as the PS5 in the future, and hopefully I'll have a better unboxing setup. I think this wasn't too bad, but we'll see in the future. I can always improve, right? Alright, that's it for me. Take it easy. Have a good one. Peace. Okay, welcome back. So it's probably a cut right now. It is now November 8th, 2020. I've had the iPhone 12 Pro for about 3 weeks. Loving it so far, but I have not been using this beauty without a case. I've actually been using this. It's a case from Amazon I got. It's called Torras Slim Case. I'm gonna set that down there real quick. So as you can see right here, this is the name. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's called Torras. Really cool. It's like a nice slim case. It's hard plastic, TPU I think. I wanted something really minimal. It's not transparent, but I'll put it on in a second. But I've been using this for I've been using this on my 10s before this as well, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But as you can see, I'm going to put it on right now as I zoom out. So I just put it to the side, right, and then I pop it on. Easy peasy. Super elegant, like simple, minimal, like super minimal. And I love the design so much because like it has no like logos or anything, just hard plastic. It doesn't really catch like fingerprints either, which I really like. I mean, I like that it doesn't catch it. Not that I like fingerprints, but super minimal. Here's all the cutouts for the bottom ports. The side has a single little click here. Really good. Top's flat. The side has a little cutout for the volume switch. And then it has the volume up and down buttons. So loving it, really good. And I'll show you guys the one I had for the 10s as well. So this is what I had before. To remove it, simply go to the bottom. Using your thumbs, you kind of push it out, right? And then it pops out like this. And this I've been using, well, for like over a year. And it looks like as if I've barely used it. I do take care of my devices a lot. So it's not like, I put this to do a lot of like rough stuff. But if you take a good care of your devices, like these are really good cases. So these are from Torras, from Amazon. I'll link it below. This is definitely something I recommend it because it's so simple and minimalistic. And yeah, that's about it. Overall for the phone, I've been enjoying the phone the entire time I was using it. I was actually I still wish if we can get like smaller again. You can see it's super similar in like, I guess width, but it's a little taller. It's not the tallness that bothers me. It's even like the width that increased by. It makes it a little harder because it's like boxed off, you know? So like gripping, like I can grip this like way easier. Super easy, right? This I just have to do a little bit more, like I have a little bit like less room to actually do it. But if they can make it smaller, that'd be great, but it's not like impossible to use. So if you're going from like a 5.8-inch screen, it is definitely doable. And the battery life, definitely a lot better than the 10s. By the end of the day, I have at least like 25%. I used to charge during the day, but now since I've been like kind of stress the battery, it's not too bad, but this is it, and I like it a lot. And the camera's night mode, I love it. It's so good. I've been enjoying it a lot. But yeah, other than that, if you're going from the 11 Pro, I really wouldn't upgrade, but I usually upgrade every other year, as I showed before. So yeah, that's it for the iPhone 12 Pro kind of unboxing and kind of thoughts and stuff. Really recommend the case. Love it too. The other ones I normally use are the Moment cases. But this definitely is a good alternative. When I do use the Moment cases, I usually get the strap, so like when I'm taking pictures, I'll have it like strapped to my wrist or something. But yeah, that's it. This is it for the iPhone 12, and I'll see you later. Peace.